Namaste ji. Welcome to the Yoga and Nature. I am Anil and today we are at this beautiful beach in Rishikesh. Huh? We all three welcome you. So we sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. We keep the palms on the knees in Chinna Mudra. We keep the elbows bent. We start off with a gentle smile on the face. Alright, so let's begin. Keeping the spine long and active and keeping the eyes closed. So just being there for a moment. Breathing in, breathing out, settling down on the mat. Deep and long inhalation and exhalation. We'll begin the session with 3 Omkaras. So we join the hands to the chest. Breathing in deep. Breathing in. Last. Rubbing the palms nicely. Covering the eyes, covering the face, and open the eyes, look into the palms. Relax. Okay, alright. So we'll begin with a quick warm-up. I'll quickly demonstrate the first warm-up. You also can just be there. You also can be there. And then we can do it all together. So we stand for the warm-up. You just be there. Here we are. So we open the legs almost shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. Inhale, we lift the hands up and heels up, Tadasana. Exhale, you bend the knees and go down as much as you can. Elbows pushing the thighs, palms to the chest in Malasana. Inhale and up, heels up. So we do that 5 times and then we move to our warm-up 2. So we can do all together. Yes, sir? Alright. Shiva. Okay, here we go. And you also join us. Standing. Open the legs shoulder width apart, toes slightly out so that we can easily perform Malasana as well. Alright, are we ready? Alright, Ekam inhale and we can lift the hands and Dvaya exhale. We can go with this count as well, right? Open, push. There you go. Again, Ekam inhale, you can lift up. Heels up, heels up, heels up, heels up. And exhale, go down. That's our 2. Push and open more. 3. And inhale, lift up, lift up, lift up. Balance. And exhale. Palms in Namaste. Open more. 4. And lift up. Find the balance. And exhale down. 1 last. Inhale and up. Balance. Exhale and down. Inhale, come up and relax. Release the arms. That was warm-up 1. We'll move to the warm-up 2 quickly. So we keep the palms on the waist. Just see first. So all we're doing is just the rotation of the hip. So inside, out 3 times. And this, opposite 3 times. So 3 on the right side, 3 on the left side, all together. Palms on the waist. Let's do it all together. Lift this right knee up and rotate. 1. Same side. 2. 3. Find the balance. Reverse. 3. 2. 1. And relax. All right. Switch. Left. inside out, 1 and 2, find the balance, 3, reverse, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Okay, shake the legs a little. All right, next we have, any guesses? Surya Namaskar B. He is the master of Ashtanga Yoga. He inspires me every day to practice, and this is the place where we come sometimes. Feet together in Samasthiti. We know Surya Namaskar B, so we'll take first round slow. Feet together in Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale and arms up. Utkatasana. Dve, exhale, straighten the legs, fold forward, keep the knees soft, try and touch the fingertips over the palms down if possible, head down. Trini, inhale, head up, halfway, Ardha Uttana. Bend the knees and step back to Chaturanga Dandasana, or drop the knees in Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat, exhale, hips higher, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sapta, right leg to the front. Lift the arms up, palms together, arms extended upward. Ashto and Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dashaha, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekadashaha, left to the front, Virabhadrasana 1. Dwadashaha, Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyodashaha, inhale. Chaturdashaha, exhale. And we stay there for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Look to the front and Panchadashaha. Step forward to the same spot, head halfway up. Shodashaha, head down fully. Saptadasaha, bend the knees, Utkata, Samasthiti. All right, that was round 1. Let's go, 2 more rounds to go. We'll be moving to our sequence 1. I'll quickly demonstrate, then we can practice together. I'm going to demonstrate. Here we are. So we start off with Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, head up. Chatwari, jump or step. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. You can jump between the palms. So the first asana that we have is Urdhva Parasarita Padasana. So we lift the right leg up as high as we can. Come up fully, palms on the waist, try and lift this leg up. Utthita, Hasta, Padangusthasana D. Heel here on the thigh. Utkata we did, so single leg Utkatasana. And then release this, again go down, Urdhva Prasarita Padasana. Again D, lift up, and again this Utkata variation or single leg Utkata. So we do that 5 on this side. Once we're done with the 5, you go down, exhale, jump back, inhale, and then repeat the same sequence on the left side. 5 on the right side, 5 on the left side. Let's do it all together. Yes, sir. We'll quickly demonstrate the sequence 2, then we can practice that all together. So we start off with again a quick vinyasa. Here we are, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Then we take right leg to the front. You can keep the left knee down initially. Take the hands out, twist, Namaste. You can keep this back knee up. Parivrtta Parshvakona. We drop this down. Drop the fingertips. Ardha Hanumanasana. And then you lift up. Then again go for second. 1, asana 2, and asana 3. So we do this 5 on the right side and then 5 on the left side in our sequence 2. Alright, we move to our next sequence. I'll quickly demonstrate. So here we are, starting off with a quick Vinyasa. Inhale Urdhva Mukha, exhale Adho Mukha, cross leg and jump through. Lie down on the mat. We go for Sarvangasana first. Here we are. Lift as high as we can. As high as we can. We stay there for 10 breaths. And simply here, this Halasana. Hanumana we just did. Halasana for 10 breaths. Slowly keep the knees bent. Release the posture. Extend the legs out. And Uttana Padasana. So we lift the head up, look towards the toes, lift the chest higher, come to Matsyasana position first. If you want, you can stay here, or if you want, you can lift the legs up, join the hands. And we stay there for 10 breaths. So 3 asanas, Sarvanga, Halasana and Uttana Padasana, 10 breaths. Drop the legs down, drop the elbows, lift up, look towards the toes, drop it down and release, hugging the knees to the chest. We take a moment there and then we go for Shavasana, right? So 3 asanas, Sarvangasana, Halasana and Uttana Padasana. All right, so that was about our today's session. How did you like the session? So yeah, that's us. Thank you so much again for joining us, and we'll leave you to this beautiful valleys visuals, and we are signing off. Thank you so much. Namaste.